Unveiling the latest innovations, Microsoft's roadmap for 2024. We will explore Microsoft's roadmap for 2024 and uncover the latest advancements, products, and trends that the tech giant has in store for the future. Microsoft innovations in 2024, a glimpse into the future. Microsoft is known for its cutting-edge technology and innovative products that have revolutionized the way we live, work, and play. As we look ahead to 2024, Microsoft's roadmap is filled with exciting developments that promise to shape the future of the industry. The future of technology, Microsoft's vision for 2024. Microsoft's vision for 2024 is centered around technology to drive innovation, growth in a rapidly changing world. With a focus on sustainability, accessibility, Microsoft is committed to creating products and solutions that benefit not only businesses but also society as a whole. Keynote event, unveiling Microsoft's latest developments. One of the most highly anticipated events on Microsoft's calendar for 2024 is its annual keynote event, where the tech giant will unveil its latest developments, products, and strategies to a global audience. Conclusion. As we look ahead to 2024, Microsoft's roadmap for the future is filled with promise, potential, and innovation.